What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Starting this video down at the shop. Today I'm going to be putting my rear knuckles back together. So we've got brand new bearings going in, new seals. Going to be putting in the rear toe eliminators into the freshly painted knuckles and the new spindles there. All right, let's get to it. Okay, we got the first one in. There it is. Okay. So the reason I'm doing this at the shop as opposed to at home is basically because I don't have a press at home. I only have a press at work, and that's definitely not going in straight. I'm gonna have to fix that. All right, after a little bit more configuring, I got it. Push this in. Okay. Get rid of this piece. Oh, that just fits. I don't really want to push it from right there, but it doesn't have much more to go. I shouldn't push the bearing apart. Okay. There's one. Okay, bearing number 2 going in. The rest of the way in. Make sure it's seated all the way. Okay. Now, the first knuckle I did is actually missing. See this little piece right here? So there's supposed to be one here, which this one has. And then there's one supposed to be in that hole too, which you can see isn't there. It's like completely gone. So when I take the knuckles off the car, I'm gonna have to pull that out of the knuckle that's in the car. Hopefully I can get it out and put it in this one. Okay, it's time to press the spindle onto the knuckle. I think that's what that piece is called, the spindle. Just press this on. Make sure it's on all the way. Okay, perfect. All right. So, I'm kind of an idiot. I just put the knuckles together, and then I'm looking at them, and I'm like, okay, now I'm gonna put the backing plates on. You kind of can't get the backing plate on once you put it together. So, I originally wanted to run backing plates. I'm not running backing plates anymore. Now we're gonna put the rear toe eliminator, the DTSS. I don't remember exactly what it stands for, but we're gonna put these in. Now, I can't find a decent video online on how to do these properly, this style. So I'm gonna do like an actual step-by-step. This is how we put these in, just in case anybody wants to know. I didn't forget the rear seals either. Just put them in now. Okay, that's the knuckles all put together. New bearings, new seals, rear toe eliminators. We're done here, so now it's time to go home and put these in the car after we take out all the old stuff. I've got some stuff I still need to prep to go in. I've already done one of these. I sandblasted it, cleaned it all up, put new rubber seals on the end, and painted it. The CV shaft, that's gonna get all nice and cleaned up, painted, and the rear whole assembly I don't even know if I'm gonna use this one because those bushings are looking a little scunge. But if I decide to use it, this is gonna get cleaned up and painted and made to look nice. I've got all brand new brakes. Still gotta go in, pads, rotors. I'm waiting on front pads still. They're coming from online. So that's gonna do it for here at the shop. I'm gonna head home and start ripping into the rear of the car.